Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be vlogging in the Dollar General and then we'll have a haul afterwards. Okay, so see you later. Hi everyone, time for the haul. I'm really excited to show you what I got from these dollar stores today. The first set of items came from the Dollar Tree, and the first item is this notebook here. I really love the pattern on the cover. It's really cute with pandas and fruit. Very nice. It's the little things that make you happy, you know? And the next item is a stationery set, and it comes with cards, stationery, and envelopes. And I really love the floral pattern there. And the envelopes are really cute. I love that green color. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys still like to send handwritten letters. Next we have a student planner, and each month has its own color, which is pretty cool. And you don't have to be a student to use this planner. Anybody can use it. Very nice. So next we're going to look at some items from the Dollar General. And this is the first item. It's a rainbow pen. Very cute. Next we have some Sharpie markers for my business. I'm on Poshmark and Mercari, by the way, and the links are down below in the description. Some more Sharpie markers, the larger size ones. Next we have some mechanical pencils, and I love these for drawing or doodling. Very nice. I like those colors. Next we have this notebook. It's a very pretty color. I love that pink or peach. And it was only $1, so why not? And it's a 5x7 notebook. So next we have some Extra Life Bic pens. I hope that they last. And we have some different color pens here, Bic pens. And next we have another notebook. This one was also $1, and it says "Hi Beautiful." Very nice. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys love to shop at dollar stores, and do you have a preference? Do you like Dollar Tree or Dollar General or the Family Dollar? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so here's some more items. This is just plain notebook. pretty folder that says beautiful on it. Really like those colors. Kind of reminds me of like watercolors. Watercolor paints. And that's a cute folder. It was only $1. Then we have this folder, which I really love, that aquamarine color and the metallic circles. That's really cute. And there's the inside for you. Then next, I believe I have, I have a binder here, just a standard binder. I think it's a 2-inch size binder. And then we have this bin with, it's a little difficult for me to show you this, so may have to zoom out a little bit. Yeah, there you go. I really liked it because the little tray on top, you can, you know, organize some things in here. I'll probably use it for my Poshmark inventory. Okay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.